How to fix grayed out or inactive iTunes Backup Now button. I'm going to show you solutions for Windows and Mac computers. The fixes I'm going to show you here should work on Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10 computers. Also they should work on Mac OS Sierra, High Sierra, Mojave and Catalina. Well, without further ado, let's dive into the solutions. Okay, first of all, if your iTunes Backup Now button is grayed out, simply close the iTunes and then start it again. I obviously don't need to show you how you can restart your iTunes. Rather than this, let me give you some important notes. In my experience, I have noticed at least 30 to 40% time restarting iTunes fixed the problem. So before trying anything complicated, restart your iTunes or even restart your computer. Close your iTunes. Then Windows users open Command Prompt or PowerShell. Mac users open Terminal. Then Windows users copy paste this code into your CMD or PowerShell. Then hit enter. Then again start your iTunes. For Mac users, I provided a different code in the description of this video. You simply need to copy paste this code into your terminal, then hit enter. Then again start your iTunes. Most of the cases, your problem will be solved using this particular method. Well, if nothing is working for you, you can simply upgrade your iTunes to its latest version. Last time I solved my problem simply updating iTunes. To update iTunes, go to Help, then check for updates, then download iTunes. Click to open Apple Software Updates. Click on here, install one item. Well, let me pause my recording until download is complete. And now click on OK. Again, we need to wait a bit. Hit quiet. Now again, if you start iTunes, do not show me this message. Now connect iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch to your computer. Click on device icon. This time you should see your iTunes Backup Now button is fixed and works again. Guys, if my video came into your assistance, please don't forget to like it and share it on your social medias. For further assistance, you can always ask me question via comment section. Finally, to watch more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.